first, let's talk about Tropical Storm Ernesto. The center circulation is about 150 miles east of San Juan, Puerto Rico, moving west-northwest at about 18 miles per hour, winds of 60 miles per hour right now. Now, we are seeing already with the San Juan radar here, we are seeing some showers and storms already making its way in on the backside of the circulation of Ernesto, so getting in some pretty moderate to heavy rain at times with some of those bands. As we continue to track the system, it is expected to move just to the east-northeast of Puerto Rico, and then watch what happens Wednesday morning. It is expected to intensify to a Cat 1 hurricane. Now, this is a lot earlier than the previous model runs or the past, because as it moves away from Puerto Rico, it's really going to tap into some of the warm waters of the southwestern Atlantic, as well as very low vertical wind shear, which will also allow it to intensify as well. Notice by Thursday morning, this will be a Cat 2 hurricane. And then as we go into late week into the upcoming weekend, it will be approaching Bermuda as a very strong Category 2, right on the cusp of actually a Category 3. The winds are just below the criteria of being a Category 3 as it nears St. George and Bermuda. So watching that very closely. In terms of the indirect impacts, we're going to see some of the drier air on the backside of that system. That's allowing us to see some lower rain chances. Hurricane Hunter planes are in the system right now. We have an Air Force plane that's in it, and it picked up a wind gust of around 63 miles per hour. So coming up with the 5 o'clock advisory, it'll be interesting to see if those sustained winds actually change. Here's a look at your Central Florida certified most accurate forecast, keeping the rain chances on the higher side tomorrow and Thursday. But look at that drier air that's going to work its way in. Woohoo! Saturday and Sunday, only a 10 to 20% chance of rain, but it will be hot though with highs in the mid-90s. Coming up at 4:30, I'll show you some of the more indirect impacts we could see from Ernesto coming up.